When we talk about home comfort, hot water plays a bigger role than most people realize. From daily routines to overall efficiency, a reliable water heater is essential for a healthy, comfortable home. At Tempo Air, we believe preventive care is the foundation of long-term system performance. Today, we're breaking down an important but often overlooked maintenance process: descaling a tankless water heater. Over time, minerals naturally found in water, mainly calcium and magnesium, settle at the bottom of the tank, forming sediment buildup. This buildup forces the system to work harder, reduces efficiency, increases energy consumption, and shortens the lifespan of the water heater. Descaling removes these deposits and helps restore the system to optimal performance. Step 1 is we turn off power to the unit, and then we turn off the isolation valves both on the cold and the hot side. Step 2, we connect our descale hoses to, and then put a descale pump. And step 3 is, we mix in our descale solution, and then we turn our pump on. And we allow that descale solution to circulate for a full 30 minutes. Step 4, we turn our descale pump off, disconnect our hoses, and then we turn the cold side on first to allow cold water to flush out the remaining descale from the tankless. Step 5, we disconnect the hot side hose and turn the hot side on and repressurize the system. Step 6 is we turn power back onto the unit, and then we test the unit to make sure it's cycling on and off properly. A properly performed water heater descaling process does more than just remove sediment. It helps the system maintain consistent water temperatures, reduces strain on heating elements and burners, and improves overall energy efficiency. Over time, this leads to lower utility costs, fewer service interruptions, and a more reliable supply of hot water, contributing directly to the comfort. A descaled water heater operates more efficiently, heats water more evenly, and experiences less strain on critical components. That means improved comfort, lower energy usage, and a healthier environment throughout the home. It also helps prevent unnecessary noise, unexpected breakdowns, and premature system failure. Visit our YouTube channel for more information. If you need help with your HVAC or plumbing system this season, you can contact us calling the number on the screen or visit our website, tempoair.com. Tempo Air Employee Owner Care More.